Hello, welcome to Nature's Daughter, where I share everything spiritual. My name is Patrice. Welcome. Today, I want to share with you the healing and beneficial ways to attune to Mother Nature. We live in a fast paced, high tech world that keeps us disconnected from nature. We work in offices all day long that keeps us distracted, stressed, and anxious. And over time, it can take a toll on our physical and mental health. Mother Earth is an electromagnetic being, and so are we. Once we learn how to attune to the frequencies of Mother Earth, we would discover it's always been here for us when we learn to feel it, tap into it. Attuning to nature helps us tune into our true self. One beneficial way to help us get attuned to Mother Nature is to simply go barefoot. We wear shoes all day long. This blocks us from the earth's positive and grounding energy. So what we need to do, we need to kick our shoes off, feel the pulse of the earth. As a child, I can remember staying outside all day long with no shoes on, playing in the grass, sitting on the ground, picking flowers, climbing trees, picking berries, being outside in nature. As children, we were always grounded. That's why children can sense things. Even if you're by a body of water or an ocean, say you're by the beach, let your toes play in the sand. Let the water rush over your feet. Connect to it. Feel the healing. It's going to nourish your whole body and mind. Another way we can attune to the frequencies of Mother Earth is from meditation. Meditation helps induce your intuition. Being present and still in nature can improve your awareness. Being observant to the sights and sounds, smells, will be a way that spirit speaks to you. And the more time you spend alone in nature, the more it will amplify your intuitive abilities, reduce anxiety and stress. The frequencies and healing of Mother Earth will wake you up inside by restoring and rejuvenating our energy field. So just like our batteries need to be charged on our computers, our tablets, our cell phones, we need to get into nature so that we can recharge our mind, body, and spirit. That way we can feel the healing. These are just some of the beneficial ways to get in tune with Mother Nature. And if you like the information I share with you, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any content that I upload. Until next time, my friends, I'm sending peace, love, light, and freedom.